Nkrumah, and today we're gonna have our first lesson of Nko, which is gonna be understanding the Nko script and movement. However, before we could go to that, we will be having a little introduction of Nko itself, its purpose, and the person that created Nko. Al nijo nitole alasan bi andina na walada folomata Nko kang konin benan sito wi fanama andina donin fo Nko yere kanin kang atono mundi ani aladan kunkera mundi. Introduction to Nko. Nko is a script and cultural movement created in 1949 by a Guinean scholar who wanted to unify Mande-speaking communities in West Africa. Nko translates to I say or I speak in Mandan languages, symbolizing expression, identity, and communication. The script was designed specifically to represent the sounds of Mandan languages like Maninka, Bambaran, and Jula, making it a highly accessible writing system for native speakers. Nko is written from right to left. It is phonetic, with each character closely matching specific sounds, which simplifies reading and writing. Beyond literacy, Nko is also a powerful tool for cultural pride and educational empowerment. It allows people to document and share traditional knowledge, proverbs, and stories, preserving their heritage for future generations. Today, Nko is used across West Africa and has expanded into digital spaces, keeping it relevant and impactful in both educational and cultural contexts. So, this is a little introduction about Nko, and it was created in 1949 by a Guinean scholar. And also, the word itself means I say in Manding language, and it is phonetic. So, it being phonetic makes it easier to write any type of language in the world, or making a sound, making specific sounds or any type of sound. And it has a lot of characters that does this. And as of Nko, it is written from right to left, just like the Arabic, not like the English nor the French. Usage today spread across West Africa. Example: Mali, Guinea, and Ivory Coast. Used in education, social media, and literature, expanding into digital and online platform. Since Nko is not that new yet, it hasn't been really known by everyone, but at the same time, it is really growing. A lot of people are getting into Go, and it is getting known by many people. So these are some of the African countries that use Nko, and Solomana Kanté here is the writer of Nko. He's the one who invented Nko and created it. Educational empowerment. Education in native languages. Kanté promoted learning in one's own language, makes education more accessible and meaningful. Impact: boasts confident and community self-sufficient. Phonetic script. Nko uses symbols that closely match the sounds of Mandan languages, to be designed to be easy for native speakers to learn. So when we come to this, Kante actually wrote Nko because during his time, he saw that there was a lot of African people who didn't know how to read and write. There was a lot of illiteracy among people in Africa, and he wanted to write Nko to eliminate that illiteracy so everybody can read and write in their own languages with in their own languages, because there were so many people. Of course, there was English or French in Africa at that time, but still, a lot of people didn't understand it because, after all, it wasn't their own original language. So this was one of the purposes why Kante Solomana wrote Nko. And also, it boosts self-sufficiency. Own language is the most easiest thing you can ever do than reading in another person's language. Nko structure. Just like other scripts, Nko also have its own alphabet. There are 27 letters in the Nko alphabet. These letters are divided into three. We have the vowel, consonant, and a letter that is self-operating, meaning that it does not need to be added to other letters to make a sound. The Nko alphabet. Nko sebesung sebedenu. In Manenka, we say Nko sebesung sebedenu, which is the Nko alphabet. Nko. So here we go with the Nko alphabets. The first one is A, E, I, E, U, O, O, Ba, Pa, Ta, Ja, Cha, Da, Ra, Ra, Sa, Ba, Fa, Ka, La, Ma, Nya, Na, Ha, Wa, Ya, A. One more time again. A, E, I, E, U, O, O, Ba, Pa, Ta, Ja, Cha, Da, Ra, Ra, Sa, Ba, Fa, Ka, La, Ma, Nya, Na, Ha, Wa, Ya, Those two are letters from here, and they are written differently because of some rules, and as we go deeper into it, we'll explain that. So this is the Nko alphabet detail. As we say, the whole alphabet, which is 27 letters, is divided into three parts, and these are what they are. At first, we have Siralang Siralang means there's 7 vowels. In Nko, we have 7 vowels. Here they goes. A, E, I, E, U, O, O. One more time. A, E, I, E, U, O, O. So these vowels are actually needed to make those words, to make the sound. They perform the sound when they are added to other letters. Now we come to Sirata Tanikondo. This Sirata Tanikondo means the 19 consonants. So Nko has 19 consonants. Here it goes. Ba, Pa, Ta, Ja, Cha, Da, Ra, Ra, Sa, Ba, Fa, Ka, La, Ma, Nya, Na, Ha, Wa, Ya. One more time. Ba, Pa, Ta, Ja, Cha, Da, Ra, Ra, Sa, Ba, Fa, Ka, La, Ma, Nya, Na, Ha, Wa, Ya. So the consonants are needed to be added to the vowels to make a specific sound. Now we come to Terokeling. As we said in the previous, there is one letter in the Nko alphabet that does not need to be added to any letter to make a sound. It makes its own sound. So this is that letter, which is called Terokeling. It is Terokeling is like when you're writing Nko, you just say Nko, and there is no letter added to make it sound. So this is our first lesson, and to get to our second lesson,